There are homes, and then there are destinations. Tucked just 60 minutes from downtown Toronto, beyond the noise, past the skyline, is a property that redefines what it means to arrive. This is Two River Road. Set on 18 acres of conservation-zoned land, it's not just rare, it's protected. Nature wraps around it, sunsets stretch across it, and the home? Nearly 10,000 square feet of architectural precision.
All right, Nick, you've seen a lot of really nice properties before, but have you seen a $6 million house, almost 10,000 square feet on 18 acres in Brantford before?
No, I've not seen that. Brantford is such a stunning city. I always say, like, for a west side, skip Hamilton, go right out there, but I had no idea you had this kind of opportunity in Brantford. This is stunning. You're saying custom home, completely brand new?
Yeah, so the interesting thing, a lot of people who are pushing further west, especially since COVID, they're going to places like Ancaster and they're coming to Brantford for luxury. You want luxury with land, this is the only place you're going to be able to get it within an hour of the GTA.
You were saying here, we got 18 acres, we have about a 5,000 square foot barn out back, not to mention a triple car garage. Like, this is a dream. If you like your outdoors, dirt bike, ATVing, all the fun you can have is right on your own property. You can't find that in too many places. Jack, buddy, what do we have? This is beautiful. Look at the ceiling height in here. Tell me about this bad boy.
Welcome to Two River Road, man. It's quite the house here, but whoa. Nick, take the shoes off. Everything in here is imported from Europe.
European, what am I doing? Shoes always off. Tell me, what do we got? Look at the ceiling height. Wow, the fixtures. What is going on? What do we have here?
So this is one of the largest custom homes available that's ever been on the market in Brantford.
Wow.
Everything here is custom, from all the millwork to all the imported marble, as well as the imported fireplace.
The stone is beautiful. Just look, I'm looking at the windows on full window, floor to ceiling. This is a house. This is just something I could see entertaining. No problem here. Herringbone flooring. This is a stunning architectural piece.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. The opulence is amazing. Imagine bringing your family here and having Christmas dinner at this table and just having the complete privacy of the entire property.
Well, this is beautiful. The one thing I do love about this property is that you're right. Imagine a family dinner, Christmas, the snow's coming down to, I know it's summer, we don't want to talk about snow, but think about just the windows on both sides. There's so much natural light that comes throughout this house. It's just beautiful. And then the custom kitchen, the cups and cabinetry. Tell me about this. What do we have here?
Yeah, so everything here's been imported from Europe. All the appliances are specialty Italian appliances. Everything is extremely high-end. And as I mentioned, this is one of the first extremely custom high-end homes available in Brantford for that luxury buyer who wants to have the luxuries of the city outside of it with land.
Right on. And I see that. I noticed the Bertazzoni. Very nice appliances that you got here. All flush, custom cabinetry. I'm guessing this is our fridge. Yeah, you can't.
That's just one of two, actually.
One of two. Beautiful. Wow. And you got the sub freezers underneath.
Yeah, so all the appliances are from Milan, custom Italian appliances, just like everything else being in the house. These are not the kind of finishes that you're going to find in Ontario normally. Almost everything has been imported and done with the finest craftsmanship.
Yeah, no, I love it. Even you can just tell from the undercut lighting throughout, hardwood flooring. I love the mix of the flat hardwood with the herringbone as well. What do we have over here?
So this is the butler's pantry that you have in here, which is just an onset of the kitchen, which is fantastic. So very similar appliances and quality.
I love this. It's got the pocket door throughout. This is great. You want to entertain out front, keep it nice and clean, because you know the cleanup's always brutal, but you just throw everything in here and call it a day. That's awesome.
The beautiful thing about this is the house is set up to have parties of 60 to 80 people. So if you're an entertainer, you want to have people come into your property, this is the property to do it with keeping the mess separated from your guests.
Beautiful. No, I love it. And it's all about attention to detail. I'm noticing down here, simple, central vac, little dust in there, just sweep it right under. Perfect little detail. Nothing was missed here.
All right, next, I'm going to show you some more amazing features of the house. Did you know that Brantford is the sunset capital of the world?
I did not know that.
So this property looks out on its 18 acres that is very exclusive and private. This is for the kind of person who wants extreme luxury with privacy and have their own compound.
So tell me about it. We got 18 acres scattered across the whole conservation throughout here. We're going all the way into the back. So you're telling me trails, dirt biking, ATVing, I got it all, freedom out here.
Suit during the day, activities at night. So if you like to get
play
your
hard,
hands-
work hard.
Exactly,
Read
right?
my mind. I love it. I love it. This is stunning. Then there's also the ability. You said that it's already been put in plans, but you can also put an infinity pool right out here that would basically overlook your whole view.
Yeah, so part of the vision that we've talked with the builder on is basically there's an availability to have a pool that can go in here with an infinity pool falling over the edge and a hot tub that's just subset off here. So if you really want to have the private compound, you want to have the luxury, and you want to be just a touch outside the city, this is the place to be where you are going to get, in my mind, the best sunset in the world.
No, I agree. This is beautiful.
All right, Nick, we don't need you anyways. We'll continue the tour ourselves.
Yeah, I'm staying out here. Just let me take this in for a second.
All right, so we talk about entertaining, and it's great, but the reality is this: 90% of the time, you're going to be in this house without a million other people, and you want to sit back and be able to relax. This is the second living room in the home that features all new marble features, herringbone flooring throughout the entire house. But most importantly, if you're the kind of person that wants to live on the main floor, this is the perfect room for you. You got vaulted ceilings, a beautiful custom bathroom with a view that gets sunset every single day. Oh my God, look at this view. Honestly, it's hard to believe you could wake up every single morning and see something like this, or even go to bed having it. You know, once again, in my mind, Brantford is a sunset capital of the world. I just can't get enough of it. All right, so here we have a beautiful mudroom that gives access to both sides of the property with a 3-car garage with options to have 6 cars in there with lifts. But not only that, who cares if you have a 6-car garage? You have a 10,000 square foot barn up the back you could fit a tank in. Wait, Nick, what are you doing here?
Oh, just envisioning, you know, a new office for myself. So where are we at the tour? Let's keep it going.
You're supposed to be selling this place, not relaxing.
Right. Sorry. Happens when you come in here.
The key with the house, as we mentioned, there's so much space in here, you get inherent privacy. Whether it's a family, you have your in-laws living with you, or you're just entertaining, there's enough space where everybody can have their own privacy and luxury. All right, so now you've seen basically everything.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. Main floor. Oh, a nice little wine fridge here. Not bad at all. But no, this is stunning. You have your open concept living there with a stunning feature wall that's going to really showcase the room.
Yeah.
Formal dining. Love it. We got a custom cabinetry kitchen right throughout here. Pantry for the butlers is right there as well. I do love that we have the living quarters as well in the side, whether it's going to be for yourself or for the in-laws, because you do have that main floor bedroom as well. Now tell me though, enough of the in-laws. Where are we sleeping if I want to own this home? Where do I sleep?
So come on upstairs with me. We'll show you the master bedroom as well as several of the guest rooms.
All right, love the stairs. The staircase piece to me is unbelievable. You have the floating stairs with the glass finish. Beautiful.
Yeah, so the builder's actually been building custom homes for around 25 years. They actually specialize between 5 to 10,000 square feet of homes exactly like this. And when you look at the small details and the quality materials they buy, it really shows. Like both these $25,000 chandeliers right here. Yeah, so come check out the upstairs. Honestly, it's a pretty incredible place. And actually looking out here, there's some pretty cool features that the current homeowners have chosen to use.
No, this is stunning. I mean, like you wake up in the morning, you walk down your hallway. This is going to be the east side here where you're getting all the sun, natural sun. I mean, yes, you're an hour and a half out of the city, let's say, but now who's not to say? Can I bring a helicopter through here if I wanted to? Can I land it out here?
Yeah, it's a great question. It has been done actually. People have landed helicopters there. And if you want to do transportation back and forth from the city, it is an option.
Okay.
There are people within the Ancaster area towards here that do that.
Okay.
But then again, you're really not that far from the city. And if you're used to being on the west end, you can pretty much get anywhere within 45 minutes from here.
Okay, I like it. You know what they say, time is money. So tell me a little bit more here. We're coming into here, we're going into our primary. We do have 2 bedrooms up here. They do share a Jack and Jill washroom. Love that we have laundry upstairs, because you know what, I don't want to walk downstairs with a basket. Oh, the moment I've been waiting for. Here it is. Woo! Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Now that is a primary bedroom. The show must go on. This is stunning. Vaulted ceiling, floor to ceiling windows, and you have the balcony off the bedroom there. That's beautiful. Tell me some more about this place. What am I missing?
Honestly, it's pure opulence and luxury. If you want to come home and you want to relax, this is an amazing bedroom to be able to have. This is the size of a lot of condos in downtown Toronto.
100%.
And to be able to come home and have space like this, and not to mention a bathroom that's this big, this is the quality of like a Ritz-Carlton or a Four Seasons in here.
Yeah, I noticed the heated flooring for sure. Look at that tub. That is a beautiful tub. Again, the views, I can't get over all the massive windows in this property. And again, can you imagine? I can imagine myself in this tub, and I don't take showers, I take baths. Like, boom, just all that. You have the beautiful, beautiful glass shower, custom flooring. This is something else.
Yeah, so you got to put yourself in the mindset of someone who wants to live here, right? You're probably someone who sold a business, you've been successful in whatever you're doing. Maybe you're later in life now, or maybe you're younger in life and been super successful, but this gives you luxury and privacy, being relatively close to the city, where you get all the above.
No, I love it. And the walk-in here, big walk-in closet. Plus, you got the double out there as well, which is great.
It's beautiful, right? Everything you want for you and your wife to store all your stuff. You also have more storage in here.
Yeah, me and my wife. You mean the wife will go here? I'm lucky if I get this door over here. Jack, show me. We got a big door here. What's the grand? Unveil it for me.
All right, man, this is it. It's quite the space down here. So
Beautiful. These doors, what heavy doors.
yeah, it's super, super nice. It's a bit of an open slate down here, what you want to do.
Yeah.
So give me some ideas. What would you do down
I mean,
here?
I'm thinking here, theater room. What, we got a gym? What else we got through here? I mean, this is just a beautiful focal point with the wall there. You can set up a great entertaining space, nice pool table here. You got the bar, you can make it into a kitchenette. I do love the endless possibilities down here. It really lets you envision yourself living down here. And really, you can kind of do whatever you want. It's got so much room.
Yeah, have you seen the stone here? It looks amazing.
Yes, this is beautiful stone. What is, let me guess, imported European?
Imported European, just like everything else in the house.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Yeah, we got a beautiful bathroom down here as well too. And then we do have some other surprises over here and also a bit more of an empty slate.
Okay, oh, this, I love the hallways. Lots of very space, makes everything feel even more grand on that one there. And
So over here, you got a couple different options. You know, you can have a nanny suite that's over here if you choose to do so.
Okay.
You can have a gym option here, or you can actually have this converted into your home theater while still having a beautiful entertaining area over there.
Right, it gives me the elements and options. And it looks like I got 2 bedrooms over here that I can make.
Yeah, so this is more of a storage room that you're going to be able to have here, as well as 3 other ones that are downstairs in the basement.
Okay.
So ton of storage, but not to, you know, you got a 10,000 square foot barn out back too, so it's not like that's going to be an issue. All right, Nick, so remember when we were downstairs and I was talking how much storage this property has?
Yes.
Well, this is that 5,000 square foot barn I was telling you about with the 2 huge bay doors. Power ran through it. That's also brand new.
That's perfect. I mean, it's beautiful out here. If you're gonna be in something like this, in the country with so much land, it's perfect. You got all the machinery you're gonna need. If you finished up your business, maybe you still have some machinery left over, or you wanna start that new business. I think having that shell of a 5,000 square foot option there is so perfect in this kind of a property here. You guys really covered everything you need and more on these 18 acres. $6 million, 10,000 square feet on 18 acres in Brantford, Ontario.
If your family's looking for a property like this, click the link below and we'll send you the listing package.